Hi everyone. I just recently completed the master data analytics with the job ready course, which is covered Python, SQL, Excel, statistics, even interview preparations. I wanted to share my experience with all because it truly made a difference in my learning journey. This course stood out for its fast-paced structure, which kept me focused, and it is kept me engaged throughout this entire course. One of the best moment for me, it was for 30 days coding challenge was there. It was intense but incredibly rewarding. It helped me to build a solid foundation about the data analytics, how it's work, how tools works actually, how you can use Python, how you are going to use the SQL, and improving the problem solving skills. Another highlight was the practical and job oriented course. It is actually, it wasn't just about the theory. You can practice it on the real time and the real world application you can make it. Also, it is a capstone projects also over there, so they are really significantly enhanced my knowledge and skills. And the interview preparation sections is good, and overall it is an incredible to learn and grow the data analytics. Huge thanks to the instructors for the creating such a well designed and impactful course. And yeah, it's really helped me to you know go through and make the understanding how data analytics actually work, what are the steps you needs to be follow. So all over, I can say it's a good and really helpful for get for gaining the knowledge, information, enhancing your skills, so you can go through the interview process and get a job.